Power BI just announced from Microsoft Excel in August of 2023, new ways to connect Excel to Power BI tables. And we're going to show you this new feature. It's in Excel. A lot of Power BI users use Excel. And since Microsoft is integrating ways to connect Power BI data to Excel and also additional ways for Excel to connect to Power BI. So we're going to show you these new features. We're going to go to Excel and show you the new ribbon, which is connecting Power BI tables to Excel. Microsoft announcing late in August of 2023 that there are now new ways to connect tables to Excel from Power BI. And we're going to show you how to do this. This is an Excel and Power BI integration. It will allow you to add Power BI data to your Excel workbooks, and it will make it easier for users to create connected tables inside Excel sheets. So this was announced by Microsoft on August 23rd of 2023. We're going to show you how to go inside Excel and with the Get Data connection, connect Excel and Power BI. Additional ways in case you want to bring in live connections for some interactive reports. Microsoft announcing late in August of 2023 that there are now new ways to connect tables to Excel from Power BI. And we're going to show you how to do this. This is an Excel and Power BI integration. It will allow you to add Power BI data to your Excel workbooks, and it will make it easier for users to create connected tables inside Excel sheets. So this was announced by Microsoft on August 23rd of 2023. We're going to show you how to go inside Excel and with the Get Data connection, connect Excel and Power BI. Additional ways in case you want to bring in live connections for some interactive reports. From your different Power BI data sets, you can now choose. You'll notice how many tables are in each of the data sets, and it'll show you how many reports are using the data set. If you click down, you can see the different tables in the data set, and you can also see the number of reports that are in your Power BI service. So if you want to insert a table, you will then get a dialog box that the table shows all of the name of the project. It will show you the tables, and inside those tables you can see the columns. So in this example, we have a Power BI project called Starting Project. We have a dimension table, a second dimension table for gender, and a third dimension table for region. And we also have a fact table for population. And the columns in the fact table include age ID, female population. From the region table, the dimension shows you country, country ID, and region. And if you wanted to insert a table, you would just select that table. This is going to give you a preview of up to 500 rows, and you can insert a table to see more of those rows. And this shows you the population. Once you select Insert Table, that will actually build your connected table inside Excel. So this feature, you do have to be signed in, and once you are signed in, the data will show into your table. When signed in, the table then populates and you can see the entire table that you imported into Excel. The other thing you can do is you could pick another report. You could look at the tables in the data set. If we wanted the sales table, we could insert an additional table. This would allow us to bring in, if we wanted any filters, we could build out some of the different charts. And in this example, we could take a manufacturer and we could pick the manufacturer, and the different options will show up. These are all the different manufacturers from that data set, and you could also insert an additional table. And this is how you can build out and connect, just an additional way to connect Excel to Power BI. Again, this ability to connect Excel to Power BI is rolling out in late August of 2023, and Microsoft does have some suggestions. This experience is for creating new queries, especially for those of you who don't know how to write DAX. There are limitations. The insert table option is rolling out to Excel desktop users incrementally, and it won't be immediately available in Excel. So I do have access to it. By the time you are watching this video, it should be rolled out completely. You can also export with live connection is rolling out to Power BI users in Data Hub. And the column names in Excel cannot be changed. If you refresh, the query will reset the column names to the original ones. And you can also edit the query in the UI if you'd like to make changes. So give it a try. It's all part of the new announcement from Microsoft that Excel is now connected to Power BI. Don't forget, we recently did videos on some more DAX. We did related table. We also did a look at the all and all selected portions of DAX. And back, we also took a look at the Power Query, additional ways to take a look at Power Query in Power BI as you continue to learn Excel and Power BI and some of the integrations.